Hello there, this is Coleman from Express, and in this video, let's create a travel time claim as a personal support worker. To do that, log into the Express desktop site and select Enter Travel Time. On the Create Travel Time page, we'll need to enter the data in each field to create a claim and then select Save. In this picture, we see 7 different fields we need to enter. Starting with the first one, Travel Date, you'll enter the date that the travel between individuals occurred. Second, Travel Start Time. Enter in a time here that's after you've clocked out for the individual that you've just finished working for and you're leaving from. In this example here, the personal support worker has clocked out at 12:12 and the travel began at 12:14 p.m. Then do the same for Travel End Time. You're going to enter a time that's before you clock in for the individual you'll be working with next. In this example, the travel time ended at 12:59 and a new shift for a new individual starts at 1 p.m. Point number 4 is Mode. You'll want to enter in the mode of travel that's used from the drop-down menu. And then point number 5 is Build Minutes. You'll enter the total amount of travel time that you're claiming either as a whole number or as hour, minute. For example, shown here, I could enter either the number 45 or, like I see here, 45 minutes would work. Point number 6 is the Start Prime. You'll select the individual that you're traveling from or the work site that you're leaving. And then point number 7 is the Start Address. You can select the address for the individual that you're leaving from. There's a drop-down menu to allow you to do that. And you can also manually enter the address if needed. Points number 8 and 9 are the End Prime and the End Address. It's similar information here. You'll select the individual that you're traveling to or the work site that you're arriving at, and then you'd select the address for that individual or manually key in an address. Once you've done all of that and selected Save, the travel time claim will display in draft status with all the information associated. You can then submit the claim directly from here if needed by clicking the Submit button. However, there is another way that users can find and submit travel time claims as well. That's by going to the left navigation menu and selecting View Travel Time. That will take you to the Find Travel Time search page, where you can enter in the search criteria and make sure to select the status of draft. Once you've done that, select Find. And from the results list, you'll now be able to select the checkboxes at the left for each travel time claim that you'd like to submit. There's also the All checkbox at the top left, and selecting that will automatically select all of the checkboxes. Keep in mind that to enable these checkboxes, you do need to select the status from the search criteria on the previous page. Once you've selected Submit, you'll see a new page showing the new status for the claims. If everything is good, it will move to approved status. If you encounter any issues when creating a travel time claim or submitting them, you can see the guide How to Create a Travel Time Claim. The appendix has a chart that shows some of the common issues that might arise when creating or submitting these claims. And you can always submit a technical assistance request if you need more help.